Hey guys, Scott here. Today I am going to do a quick review of the Morhept car cover, more importantly, the Jeep cover. I have a brand new 4-door Jeep and I want to have the doors off all summer, but I don't want to have to put the doors off and on, so I purchased this cover. And one of the things I really liked about this particular cover is the fact that it is waterproof. Not water resistant, but waterproof. So let's unbox it and see what we have here. And obviously, with a car cover, you want to be a little bit careful when you're cutting that you don't go too far past the tape. Whoop. And from here, let's see what we have. All right, very nice. Move this aside here. There is the actual cover here, and it comes almost shrink wrapped. And I didn't realize that, but it makes sense to get it into a smaller package here. And let me see. And this is the actual case for it right here. So it comes with a nice drawstring case. That's what you'll get. And then right here inside is the actual cover itself. And another thing that I really liked about it was the high quality, right? It is thick. It's not one of those that is paper thin. And I also really like the fact that it has, you can unzip to get into a door as well. So if you forgot something in there, you don't have to take the entire cover off. So really looking forward to using this the entire summer, and it will definitely be better than having to take my 4 doors off and on all the time. So this is a great solution. And even if you do have a garage, it's good to keep this with you in case you decide to stay somewhere. You have your cover. If it starts raining, you're good to go. So looking forward to putting this to use.